From 1967 reach 1970, Nigeria no be the same again. Blood full everywhere. Mama dey cry, pikin dey hungry. Over 2 million people gone. This no be action film, this na real life wahala. Dem call am Biafra War. After Nigeria collect independence from Oyibo people for 1960, everybody happy. But small time politics enter gbege. In 1966, soldier people carry gun do coup. Dem kill plenty top men, mostly from north. Another coup come land, na revenge this time. Ethnic wahala scatter ground. Igbo people dey run from north, blood everywhere. One man say enough is enough. He name na Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. On May 30th, 1967, he shout say, "We no dey do again." He declared Republic of Biafra. But federal government no gree. On July 6th, war start. Nigeria versus Biafra, full-blown gbege. War no be play. Towns like Nsukka, Owerri, Port Harcourt all turn battlefield. Biafrans fight with spirit and fire. Dem build homemade bomb, Obunigwe. Nigeria gets support from Britain and Soviet. Biafra gets small help from France. But e no reach. But bullet no be the only killer. Na hunger why pass. Federal side block food. Children dey chop nothing, belle swear. Kwashiorkor full ground. Over 1 million pikin die. Red Cross try help, but the road no pure. By January 1970, Biafra don tire. Ojukwu run go Ivory Coast. General Effiong surrender. General Gowon talk say no victor, no vanquished. But over 2 million lives already lost. This war no just concern Igbo people, it concern all of us. Biafra war teach us say, if we no unite, we go scatter. History no be for book alone, it dey live inside all of us. Na Pidgin Gistory Africa be this. If the story touch you, drop your comment. Subscribe make you no miss next Gistory. History no go die if we dey tell am.